So thinking back, what advice would you give to newbies?
Believe in yourself. Don't doubt yourself. We had a lot of skeptics and a lot of doubters and some haters, but I would say believe in yourself and believe in what you're doing and stand on business.
Believe in yourself, absolutely. I mean, you have to unwavering. You just have to say, you know what? I don't understand this, but we knew nothing about the business. We absolutely knew
nothing.
But I didn't find it intimidating because I figured, you know what? We're going to figure it out. This isn't, you asked me to build a rocket ship, we're in trouble.
Yeah.
You know, you don't want to get on that rocket.
We aren't going to the moon.
You asked me to fly a plane, you don't want me flying it. But I think in this industry, I looked at it as, we looked at it as this isn't rocket science. We're going to figure it out. So I would say, you know, the first thing is you got to believe in yourself and just believe that, you know what? You might not know it today, but you might know it tomorrow. You can learn it. The information's there. The CLA is a great resource. Other laundromat owners, maybe not your market, outside your market, but a great resource. So I think that's the first thing. The second thing I would say is think outside the box and just look at it from the customer's perspective.
Absolutely.
That's what it's all about.
Right.
You know, if you look at, if you can solve a need for them and give them a better experience, you may win a loyal customer.
Yeah.
So think outside the box.
Yeah.